Hey parents, my name is Amy Juarez. I am the owner and lead photographer with ColourPop Portraits, and I just wanted to say hey and give you a quick overview on ordering your prints through PhotoDay. That's the platform that we use to deliver your digital galleries to you, allow you to preview them, and make the selections for whatever prints and digitals you'd like to order. So let's hop in and I'm going to show you what PhotoDay looks like once you have entered your gallery access code. How to order, and a little bit about this process. So let's dive in and take a look. So you can do this from any browser, desktop, from your iPhone, it doesn't make a difference. But you're going to go to galleries.photoday.io. You'll see a field that says enter access code. If you don't have it, you can go to colorpopportraits.com/parents, and there will be a button there that says find my gallery code. You can use that button right there. But assuming that you have your gallery code, you enter that here, hit continue, and then it will take you right here. Once you're in your gallery, you can click on any one of them to see a little bit of a larger preview. The watermark that you see will go away after you order your prints, so don't worry about that. And when you're previewing here and then you click the buy button, that's just selecting the image that you're going to start with. You can purchase multiple poses even inside of a package, but this is the one that you're going to start with. Okay, so let's say we really like this one. I'm going to hit this buy button, and now it's taking us to our kind of dashboard where you can see all of the products. These are the three main categories down here. We have prints. These are physical prints that will be delivered to you. We've got specialty items, keychains and water bottles and whatnot, and then digital downloads. There are two kinds of digital downloads. There are high-res digitals, which you'll see right here, and there are social sharing downloads. Social sharing downloads are less expensive because they're low resolution images that are perfect for sharing online, shooting in an email, setting them as your, the background on your screensaver, something like that. They are not for printing. If you want a high resolution download that you can print on your own forever and for eternity, then the high resolution download is the way for you to go. That's why that is more expensive, because you will be able to print those wherever you'd like forever and ever. Amen. So there is a digitals bundle here that is 3 high-res downloads, so that's great savings. If you really want to have your own high-res downloads for archiving purposes or anything like that, I highly recommend going with that digitals bundle because that's going to save you some money. That's 3 for $99 when they're normally $47 a piece. Now, inside of these 3 packages, you will see different amounts of prints, and then the larger 2 bundles have social sharing downloads included in them. I don't believe that this one does. It does not. So I want to show you how this works. Let's say that you've taken a look at all of these and you want to go with this kind of middle package. It's the glow bundle. So we're going to start customizing your package here at the very top with this 8x10, and it's defaulting to the photo that you had selected at the very beginning before we came in here to the kind of shopping dashboard. If you decide you want a different one, that's okay. Go ahead. Right here, this button says change image. It will take you back to this gallery, and maybe you say I really like this vertical image. Select photo. You can crop in, crop out. If you don't like the way that I have cropped it, you can make whatever adjustments you like and then hit confirm. Now we see this green check mark. That means yes, I've confirmed that this is the crop that I want. Whatever you see inside of this blue box is the way it's going to print. So if you've cropped in like this and you hit confirm, this is what is going to print. So if that's not the way you want it, make sure that you have that crop set the way you want it before you hit that confirm button, okay? So we'll say confirm, and now we're just going to do the same thing for all of these, okay? We're going to go through here, and for the sake of this video, I'm just going to go real fast. Beautiful. Now it auto-populated the social sharing download with that default that we had already chosen. If you don't want it, click continue editing, social sharing download, change image, say maybe we want this goofball one. Now hit add to cart. Now we can see that we have an order total here. We have one item in the cart because we've put one glow bundle in the cart. If you have another child that you would like to add, all you need to do, click up here where it says My Galleries. Here we see the gallery we were just inside. Hit Add New Gallery. Go get your other child's gallery access code. Hit Continue. And now it's going to open up child number 2, right? And so then we just do the same thing. Maybe we want him snuggling his sweet little buddy. Again, we're going to hit buy. It's just going to be the image that we start with. You can do a different package for him. Just do something off the a la carte menu, whatever you'd like. I do want to say that if you're getting the packages, the Twinkle Pack, the Glow Bundle, or the Shine Collection, you can mix and match from one gallery at a time. So we can mix and match just like we did with the other child's, all different images from their gallery inside of each of these products. However, you're not going to be able to put, let's say, Colton as the 8x10 and I think we named this kid Drake for the for the sake of the tutorial. We can't add Aaron, Andrew, Colton, whoever they are inside one package. The software just won't let us do it. So if you don't want a full package of each child individually, then your best bet is to order off the a la carte menu for each of them. So that's it. Once you have all of your packages and a la carte purchases set, you see you can view your cart. Make sure that you've got everything cropped the way you want it to crop. You can hit that review button if you need to go back and make some changes. Then once you're ready, you can just hit the checkout button, enter your credit card information, and that is it. I hope that's helpful for you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can email us at smile@colorpopportraits.com, and one of us will get back to you as soon as we possibly can. Have a good one.